How to check someone's online status on WhatsApp if hidden. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out how you can check someone's online status on WhatsApp if it's hidden. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get started. So if someone has hidden their WhatsApp status, but if you want to check their online status, what you'll need to do is open up your WhatsApp. So right here, what we'll do is we'll just head over to our settings. You will need to enable your own WhatsApp or online status as well. So, you can actually see it. So what you'll need to do is head over to privacy right here, and you can see the last seen and online option. Tap on that. And from here, you can just choose everyone this and this. So as you can see, who can see when I'm online, this basically is the online status. So if you tap on everyone, that means that everyone will be able to see if you're online or not. So that means that your online status on WhatsApp is turned on. So if you haven't shared your online status, you won't be able to see other people's status as well. So that means that for you to be able to see their online status, you will need to turn on yours as well. So if theirs is hidden while yours is unhidden, what you can do here is you can simply head over to the text message, send a message, and if you see the two texts, that means that the message has been delivered. That means that they are already connected to a Wi-Fi. They have received your message, but they just haven't replied. That means that they're basically online but not responding or not using WhatsApp. So that means that they are still reachable, but they still just haven't responded to you yet. So yeah, there isn't a direct way for this to you to check the online status, but you can know by different options, just by sending them a message directly and checking if the message just gets sent or delivered. And if they have already read it, that means that they are online and they have read your message. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.